Hello, Rockstars. How are you all?
Hello, coach. Great. How are you
Yes,
doing? Yes.
Yeah,
we are
they're
doing
doing
it
great.
well.
Okay,
Yes,
Yes.
so are you people aware of your e-codes, your everything, how those things got transformed and everything?
Yes.
Yeah.
yes,
Yes.
yes.
Yeah.
Everything.
We are
Okay.
aware of.
So how was the
Yes,
experience? So how was the experience?
Aw- Awesome.
Awesome.
I
Okay.
am ready with my outcome and I just want to wait. What am I going to with this outcome? What I've written yesterday, 50 outcomes.
Okay. Okay.
And now the top three, I want to know what I'm going to do with it. Yes.
Definitely. Definitely. So now you'll be getting more clarity. Don't worry. I'm here to do that. Okay.
Yeah.
So, so let's go on to page 66. And I want Miss Alka
Yeah.
to start reading the incorrect process.
Yeah.
Sure.
Yes, so have incorrect process.
Yeah.
Having an outcome gives you an ever motivating purpose. However, just having outcome is not enough. You need to have incorrect process. Second
Okay.
para, having an incorrect process is about having clarity about where you want to be in an area of your life. They provide direction and focus, and as you know, are necessary for continued lifelong learning and growth. It is helpful to ensure that your outcomes are fit for purpose. The INCRED model outlines some simple guidelines that you can use for setting effective outcome in the key area of your life.
Okay.
Yes.
So now I would like to stop you. I would like to say that
Yes.
as you have your outcomes. So now we have to make it specific, like time oriented. We have to
Hmm.
specific, and how to do that.
Yes.
I'll show you. I'll show you
Right.
by some examples. Okay. So
Okay. Yeah.
so let's move on to page 67. Page 67, and I
Yeah.
want Miss Alka to read this furthermore, please. Okay.
Yeah. So
Intelligible.
I is intelligible. Ke- Keep your outcomes simple and focused rather than wordy and vague. Be very specific about the outcome you want.
Okay. So your
Uh,
outcome has to be
Navigate.
specific. So intelligible simply means that your outcomes
Yeah.
have to be specific. Okay. Uh, make sense?
Specific. Yes.
Okay.
So yes. Yeah,
Mr.
it makes
Pradeep.
sense. So
Mr. Pradeep.
navigate.
Okay.
How will you?
yes,
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
yes.
Okay.
How will you
Next
know?
is N.
Okay.
Navigate.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Navigate
Okay.
is to how you will reach that at that position.
Okay.
Yeah, that
How
is
will you
used.
Okay.
know when your outcome
This
has been
navigate.
reached?
Uh,
So what will be different?
yes.
How will you
Yeah.
measure it?
How will
And
you measure it?
Simply means
Right,
right.
right.
it simply means it's about
Challenging.
fixing a timeline. It's about fixing a
Yes,
Okay.
timeline.
Yeah.
C is
right.
for
Yes.
challenging. Do you have the desire, the skills, and the
So
tools to accomplish your outcome? So it's simply
okay. Right.
so here we are going to see the challenges of our outcomes. Uh,
Yes.
Okay.
Simple. The fourth one
Simple.
is
Yeah.
real. The outcome must be achievable. Has someone done this before? That simply means this shall give you an evidence that that you should that you can also that that if someone has done it, then you can also do it. F-
Right.
Fifth
Yeah.
one, fifth one is exact. So I want Miss Alka to read it further,
Yeah.
please.
So state your outcome as if it's already being achieved. This trains the unconscious mind to accept the outcome as real, which helps you to move more effectively towards it. What date is it going to get done? Yes, I
I
got it.
think it's very
Next.
pretty much clear. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, it's clear. So D, do it. You know everything you need to know. What are you waiting for? Do it. Make a commitment about achieving your ultimate outcome.
Sure. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
So simply about I commit to do this on a specific from a
Yeah.
specific date till this date, and
Yeah.
I have to do
Yeah.
the incorrect process. Okay. So
Yes.
now I shall give some examples.
Okay.
So the incorrect outcome examples are some of their are here. Like suppose if I say I will launch a new business. Okay. So that is a
Hmm.
non-incurred outcome. That's a non-incurred outcome because it's
Yeah.
not specific. Okay, that,
Yes.
from when I'm
Yes.
going to start, that is not specified. So the incurred outcome will be in the next
Yeah.
30 days. I will work on my business idea. I will work on my business idea at least 15 hours per week. I will I will interview
Hmm.
potential customers to identify the pain points, signing at least one customer to a paid contract. I will also take measures on a daily basis to rate my own satisfaction to ensure this new business idea is satisfying me mentally. So it is specific, like
Hmm.
it is like in the next 30 days, I'm committing to work at least 15 hours per week and having one potential customer. So it is specific.
Yeah.
So it is clear. It is clear.
Yes.
There is the clarity. So if I say that I'm working on my health,
Yes. Got it.
first day, so I would say that I'll start from tomorrow. I have to eat healthy. I have to eat healthy food uh, uh, for the next 30 days and all. I'll fix a timeline and I have to be more specific. So getting me? Okay.
Hmm.
Make sense?
Yes.
Okay. So
Makes
crafting
sense.
incurred
Yes.
outcome. So crafting incurred outcomes. So the purpose of this activity is to help you is to make your ultimate outcome achievable, measurable, time bound, and practical. So so your outcome has to be
Okay.
practical. Okay. So there are some things
Um,
that so there are some things that are time bound. Okay. So you need to so you need to fill up an included worksheet by answering questions about your outcome for each of the included section. And step two is write down your six core
okay.
baselines in front of each. How being satisfied by your ultimate outcome. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
So write the outcome you have in mind, please.
Yeah. Yeah.
I would ask Ms. Alka to do so
Yeah.
first. Okay. So what's your outcome?
Yeah. So I commit to gift my husband worth rupees 2 lakh by July 1st, 2021.
So what do you so what do you
Yeah.
want to accomplish? No, when do you want to do this?
Yeah. I want to accomplish earning
Why is this an
rupees.
outcome? Yeah.
Yeah.
Why is this an
Yeah.
outcome?
So I want to accomplish earning rupees 2 lakh by July 1st, 2021. This is an outcome as I want to gift him and make him surprised about my achievements.
Sure, sure.
And
Okay.
shall I go further, coach?
No,
It's
no. I'm
navigate.
telling you.
So I will.
How can you measure
Okay,
progress,
coach.
and
Yeah.
how can you measure your progress and know if you successfully achieved your outcome? How will you measure your
I will measure
progress?
my progress by making sure to complete. Yeah. To complete the certification of CTA by April 30th and get my first batch start by 10th May. Yeah.
Do you have the skills required to achieve the outcome? If not, can you obtain them? What is the
Mm.
motivation for this outcome? Is the amount of effort required on par with what
Yeah.
the outcome will be achieved? So tell me, please. I
Yeah,
need
yeah. I have
challenge.
joined the CTF to acquire the skills,
Yeah.
and yes, I can obtain them. Seeing my husband every day around me is itself a motivation.
Yeah.
Also, enrolling myself in CTF and practicing on daily basis is also a motivation.
Okay.
And the effort I am putting is at par.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Why are you setting this outcome now? Is it aligned with other objectives?
Yeah, I am setting this outcome now because it's a great motivation for me to move forward and get financially independent. And yes, it is aligned with my other objectives as well.
So what's the deadline? What's the deadline? And is it realistic?
Yeah, the deadline is July 1st, 2021, and it is realistic.
Okay. So write down your commitment is regarding this outcome. What your commitment is regarding
Yeah,
the outcome.
my commitment is to complete my certification by April 30th.
That is great. Fine. Fine. Okay. So craft a new outcomes based on the answers you have written. So what is the included outcome plus? I would like to
Yeah,
start with. Yeah, please tell me.
I commit to gift my husband on of rupees worth 2 lakhs by July 1st, 2021. To ensure this to happen, I would complete my CT certification by April 30th, start my batch of coaching by May 10th,
Sure.
2021. Yes.
So, Mr. Pradeep, I would like to go to Mr.
Yes,
Pradeep.
hello.
Oh, okay. Thank you, Ms. Alka. Now I'd like to
Thank
go
you
with
so much.
Mr. Pradeep.
Pradeep.
Sir, Mr. Pradeep,
Yes,
how are your six core baselines uh, aligned aligned with your ultimate outcome? How are your six core
yes.
baselines aligned with your
I am
ultimate
telling
outcome? Yeah,
the all the baselines one by one.
yeah, sure,
Number one is compassion. It
sure,
will it will help the readers. Help the readers.
yeah, sure.
Yes. The religion, it will impact the readers who are religious minded. It's
Okay,
religion. Third is zeal. When people will become healthy, they will become happy. Zeal.
okay,
Then fourth was peace. The happy and healthy people will make a peaceful society. And
okay,
fourth one is satisfaction.
yeah,
After reading the book, they will they will fully satisfied. And
okay,
sixth one is curious. The curiosity, the reader will become curious to read more books written by me. So this were my six baselines we met.
okay, fine. So next we go to the crafting anchored outcome. Uh, okay. So what did you learn so far from this process? I would like to go with Ms. Alka and then Mr. Pradeep. What did you learn so far from this
Yeah.
process?
So I learned that Inked process gave me in-depth clarity of my outcomes. And it has actually made me think that there are many things I wanted to achieve, but just never thought about it. There are many capabilities in me which I never explored. So I am
Okay,
actually loving this process a lot.
okay, okay,
I can use it for my lifetime.
okay, okay. What about you, Mr. Pradeep?
Yes, this crafting incurred today's outcome has given me the clarity of my goal and the fixed timeline that my outcome will be achieved in certain date and it will be end fruitful. So this is the beauty of this crafting incurred outcome. I am clear about my goal, what I have to achieve, I will achieve in a definite time schedule. Not audible.
Coach, you're on
Yeah, yeah,
you're
yeah,
on
yeah,
mute
yeah, yeah,
You
yeah,
are
actually.
my
yeah,
Unmute
yeah.
you are
yourself.
alone.
Yeah.
I forgot to do so.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
So lastly, we come to
Should I repeat?
Yeah.
challenges. No, no,
Yes.
you are audible.
Yeah.
Okay.
Not an issue.
Oh, okay.
So
Yeah, you were
lastly, we
audible.
come
Yes.
to challenges. Okay. The outcome of this activity is to consider your possible hindrances, including your end codes, and get rid of them. So, what are the end codes when
Okay.
thinking about your outcomes? So what are the
Yes.
so what is the biggest end code?
Should
Yeah.
I
Let's
tell?
start with Miss Alka, please.
Yeah. So my biggest encode is, will I be able to get so much money? And my E code is, I am money magnet. I
Fine,
am
fine.
really feeling this and very happy for this. Yes.
Okay, great, great, great. So what about you, Mr. Pradeep? Can you please share?
Yes, definitely.
Sure.
I have to get references and other materials relating to my subject, which may or may not be available to me at the moment.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what are the possible challenges uh, possible ways to
Yeah.
work on them to work on your challenges? What are the
Yes.
challenges and the possible ways to work on them?
Hmm.
Okay. So should I tell?
Yeah.
Sure, sure, sure. Why not?
So I have to do a great effort to collect this gather knowledges.
Okay.
I have to go to libraries. I have to read magazines. I have to read great authors' books on the subject which I want to write the book. That objective will be met up when I will do these things, just references, etc.
Miss Alka, I would like to ask you the same question.
Yeah.
Would you like to
My
answer?
first challenge is to manage my time between work and family. And the solution, I think it is to delegate work. And my difficulty level for this, I don't think it's that difficult. I can manage it. So it's easy.
Okay, okay. So far, like we have done this, and from the next day, like we have to start a new session, uh, and definitely I promise that you'll achieve more clarity. And so right now, I would say goodbye to you. But firstly, but before that, let's do a ritual as usual. Okay.
Yeah.
So we are the rock stars, as you know. Okay.
Yes.
So one,
Yeah.
two, three.
Who?
Rock stars.
Who?
Ooh,
Rock
rock
stars.
stars.
Superb.
Come on, guys. No enthusiasm.
Okay.
I didn't find any enthusiasm. Come on.
Yeah.
One, two, three.
Who?
Rock
Who? Rock
stars.
Ooh, rock
stars.
stars.
Fine. Have a great
Yeah.
time then. Have a great day ahead.
Thank you so much, Krish. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.